Starting today, the world's most popular AI coding tool is charging by the thought. GitHub Copilot just replaced its flat monthly subscription with a token meter called AI credits. As of today, June 1st, your $10 plan strictly gives you $10 in credits. 1 credit equals 1 cent. If you run heavy agent mode tasks, you can burn your entire monthly allotment in a single afternoon. When credits hit 0, Copilot doesn't just degrade, it stops, hard wall. GitHub's CPO explained the pivot. Copilot evolved from simple tab completion into a multi-step agentic platform that iterates across entire repositories. It burns massive compute, and GitHub could no longer quietly eat the inference costs. The math demanded a meter. This means without a meter, your CTO could spend Saturday night tipsily telling Copilot to make the app 10% faster, and by Monday morning, the AI has burned through your company's entire annual cloud budget trying to optimize a single button. In today's video, we'll examine whether this is a sustainable business decision, a betrayal of the developer community, or just the natural life cycle of a Microsoft tool. It is June 4th, 2026, and you're watching FutureFounderHQ. For 3 years, GitHub Copilot cost a flat $10 per month. That model worked fine while Copilot was a smart autocomplete tool, but it broke when it evolved into an autonomous agent that runs for hours and rewrites files while you make coffee. GitHub was hemorrhaging money. Enter GitHub AI credits. 1 credit equals 1 cent. While a $10 plan gives you $10 in base credits, GitHub added a last-minute flex allotment to sweeten the pill, bringing the Pro total to $15 and Pro Plus to $70. These are consumed strictly by token usage. Standard code completions remain unlimited, but chat, agents, and code reviews will aggressively drain your meter. When it hits 0, Copilot simply goes dark until your next billing cycle resets. The critical detail buried in the fine print is that code review is now double billed, AI credits for the actual token usage, GitHub Actions minutes for the runner compute time. These reviews now run directly on GitHub Actions. The total cost is completely unknowable in advance because the model decides how long it needs to think, forcing your DevOps budget to rent the privilege of finding out the bill after the pull request closes to soften the landing. GitHub is offering a temporary summer buffer for June, July, and August. Copilot Business gets 3,000 monthly credits, $30, and Enterprise gets 7,000, $70. But this generosity hits a hard wall on September 1st when the promotional credits vanish, metered billing kicks in, and the business allotment drops to 1,900 credits. GitHub calls this a transition, a brilliant word for a cliff. GitHub subsidized agentic coding to build an industry habit. It worked. Developers integrated Copilot into how they think. Now, the promotional sandbox is closing. The business logic is airtight. Subscription models couldn't survive multi-hour agent runs, but the execution relies entirely on misdirection, hiding double billing in a changelog, flipping data training defaults early, introducing a $100 max tier, and calling a cliff a transition creates a trust crisis. Microsoft built the habit, now they're monetizing it. This has been FutureFounderHQ. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.